100 in Terrell. Right now in Terrell and in Dallas, your heat index is 107. Everyone in McKinney is dead. The temperature, the heat index right now.
The National Weather Service has issued an extreme heat emergency for McKinney, Texas until an undefined time. It is currently 101,105 degrees Fahrenheit in McKinney. Everyone in McKinney is dead. Repeating, everyone in McKinney is dead. If you are seeing this and are located in McKinney, find a substantial source of cooling, such as cold water bottles. Keep your fans on high. Do not go outside, do not stand by windows, and do not attempt to save anybody else but yourself. There is nothing authorities can do for you right now. Your power might go out eventually, and your roof might melt. Stay safe and stay cold.